Measure A would put into motion several transportation projects, including freeway expansions in the South Bay. But several health organizations say it would put the well-being of people living in that area at risk. If Measure A passes, one of the first projects would be an expansion of the 5 freeway from the edge of Barrio Logan down to San Ysidro. The No Way Measure A campaign is now urging San Diegans to vote against it, not only because of the added air pollution, but they say the measure doesn't add enough public transportation.
They don't deserve another blank check. We've had enough of that. We must not allow our families' health to be collateral damage and poorly thought out reckless proposals.
Measure A would increase the sales tax in the county by ½ cent, raising a total of $18 billion. Most of that money would go toward new rapid bus lines and a new trolley line from San Ysidro to Kearny Mesa. There is bipartisan support for the measure.
One of the more controversial tax questions on your ballot is Measure A. It's a proposal from the San Diego Association of Governments called the Sandag tax. And sponsors say it would improve the region's transportation system. As Phil Farrar shows us, not everyone's in favor.
The proposal has something in it for all 18 of the counties, municipalities, and rural areas. Voters will be asked to fork over a ½ cent sales tax to fund these transportation and infrastructure projects. That would add up to $18 billion over the next 40 years.
I think an extremely smart plan that is worthy of voter support.
San Diego City Councilman Todd Gloria says this type of plan is not unprecedented. He says it's worked before in the past for improvements to I-15 and light rail.
The voters have already authorized a previous sales tax of 40 years as well. And because they did that, we have completed over 600 projects in every corner of San Diego County. And what we want to do is keep that momentum going forward.
No way, Measure A! No way, Measure A!
But a group of public health experts say there are problems with the measure. They say it gives big government a blank check with no guarantees to reduce pollution or address climate change.
Measure A threatens children's health, seniors' health, while doing nothing to create meaningful solutions to traffic congestions. And these are serious air quality issues.
Using UCSD Medical Center as a backdrop, public health advocate Joy Williams says this is an outdated and ineffective system, much like previous public projects. She added it's particularly bad for communities already inundated by pollution and surrounded by freeways.
There are thousands of studies that confirm the health threat of freeway pollution. Here's a small sample of the research findings from those studies. Children who live within 500 meters of a major freeway are not only more likely to develop asthma and other respiratory diseases, but their lung development may also be stunted permanently.
Phil Farrar, CW6 News.